Hi Janine. This is our food. Nice green rice, as you can see. It's alien food. And I made some lovely beef curry with carrots. And the kids are cooking here. They're making, see, they've got their own food. See, Elijah's throwing in spices in the pot. Zini's gonna taste the food now. Take more, Zini. Take some more for us. Take more, Zini. Taste your food nicely for us. Take some. What did you throw in there? First tell us.
I threw in some of this,
Mm-hmm.
and I threw in some rice and some water and milk, and I mixed it with some
Flour.
some flour and the thing that you make with sugar.
Okay, let's see. Looks delicious. Taste for us.
And some
Taste
spice.
some for us. Oh, and some spice. Okay. Taste for us. Take some more. No, take more. Take some more of your food. It's your food. Take some more and taste for us. Okay, taste Elijah's. No, sit. No, sit. Sit. It's your food. It's okay. Taste Elijah's food for us. Taste Elijah's food for us, please. Okay, Elijah, taste your food first. What did you throw in? Tell us.
I put in this.
What?
And I put some water. And I put this. And I put that. And I put some egg. And I put some of that and that. And then I put some of the beef. And then I put some water. And then I made it wet. And I did some of that.
Wow, it looks lovely. Taste for us. Taste it. Have a taste. Maybe it's nice. Taste. Zini will also taste some. Taste.
No.
Just taste your food.
No.
Zini, you taste it for us, please.
No,
Elijah's
thank
food.
you.
Just take a little bit.
No, thank you.
Come on,
No,
you
thank
are
you.
boring.
No, thank you.
Just taste a little bit. Maybe it's nice. Don't you cook nice food? No, guys. Is your food not nice?
No, my food.
Okay, hold this camera. Let Daddy taste your food. Daddy, taste your food. I'm gonna take a lot. Ah! Zini! Ah! It's bitter. And you taste the spices. Lady, this looks poisonous. Thank you. Oh, that wasn't nice.
I told you.
You want to taste again?
I told you I must make it ready.
Okay, guys, thank you for inviting me into your kitchen.
Okay.
Your food was not nice. If I come next time, I hope you can make nicer food, okay?
Okay. We'll try
Elijah?
our best.
We'll try our best.
Okay, thank you.